How to install Amazon Alexa on an LG TV. Alexa is the intelligent cloud-based voice service, and it will give a response when interacting with voice UI in LG TV. Ensure that TV is connected to internet and TV software. It must be updated to the latest version. To install Amazon Alexa app, simply press and hold Prime Video button on Magic Remote. TV will go to LG Content Store automatically and start to download Amazon Alexa app. App will be added to the launcher bar after it is downloaded. Find and select Amazon Alexa app in Home Launcher bar. Set up Alexa. Welcome page will appear on TV screen once you select Alexa. App from Home Launcher bar and click on Set up Alexa TV will show login method and codes as shown in this picture. Go to www.amazon.com/gb/code in the internet browser of mobile or PC. Fill your Amazon account ID and password, then click Sign in. Enter TV code on the register your device page in mobile and select Continue. Setup successful. Notification will show on TV screen after registration. To use Alexa, press and hold Prime Video button on Magic Remote. Mic should be near to catch the voice clearly. Alexa icon will appear at the right bottom side of TV screen after pressing and holding Prime Video button and listening to your voice with the sign of blinking. Alexa, how is the weather? Alexa will give a response with audio on TV for the command. Alexa, play Kala Chashma. The requested song will play in TV's Alexa app. In the same manner, we can do a lot of things with Amazon Alexa on LG TV, like news, shopping, information, jokes, and etc.